Alright, so right now I'm sitting in the Element on the lift, high as hell in the air. But he's checking to see if the axle on the Element is no good, because I got it aligned. Yeah. I had got it aligned and it still has like a slight wobble to it when I'm driving. So he's just checking to make sure it's good, but I'm not sure. I'm trying to get this Element 100%. And then I was telling him too, 'cause I kind of want to put a system in here and then put a system in the S2000 also. So be expecting some dope shit. So yeah. You see anything? I said, do you see anything? The horns sound like death. Got the K series in here. The Element needs a little bit of work, man. Needs a little bit of work, but we gonna get there. Alright, got the Element, got the windshield wiper fluids working right now. I gotta get myself a horn and I gotta get myself a passenger axle. And then the Element should be good. Should be good. No more wobbling after that. Man, it's been a gloomy day, Saturday, and you know, this rain is just like killing everything. It rained earlier, but it's not raining now. What's good, squad? So your boy's finally home, man. Just was adding some new lighting. If you guys can see that up there, all the new lighting. It's pretty dope. Yeah, it's dope. Yeah, it's been raining all weekend. It's raining, and me and Vanessa got bored, so we wanted to do something to the room and make it look cool. But just got this package that came in today from P-Oak Designs. So basically what they do with their company is they make dope e-brake buttons for most cars. He hit me up on Instagram and was like, yo man, I like what you're doing, I want to support your movement, and you know, I got a couple e-brake designs that I want you to look at and see which ones you like. So I picked the one that I like the most, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So if you guys are interested in any of their products, you can go to P-Oak Designs on Instagram, let them know that Phil S2K sent you, and see what they do for you. You know what I'm saying? I'll put their Instagram right here. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been like DMing me and like emailing me trying to get me to promote their businesses and brands. You know, it makes me feel good about myself. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right and I'm going in the right direction. But let's open this up. Let's see what I got. Let's see what we got in here. Nice little packaging design and everything. Alright, so boom. They threw in this nice little dope sticker. I mean, it's friggin' dope. I like that. They got some more dope stickers right here. Some more dope stickers right here. I like the little abstract design. Probably won't see this one because it's like silver. And then you have these right here. Oh man, they hooked me up. But this is the main prize right here. The e-brake button is right here. I got like a pinpoint one. Let me see. I'm gonna try to darken it up for you guys. Let's see. Try and darken this up for you guys. Alright, boom. Focus. So it has like a needle point. It's pretty dope. It's fire. I like it. And it goes right onto the e-brake button. Right here. Their packaging is really dope too. So with all that stuff that came inside of it, you get this box. And it has their like design in the middle. And then the e-brake comes in on this piece right here. Which is pretty fire. And that's their name right there. So if you guys are interested in any of their buttons, definitely hit them up. Let them know that Phil S2K sent you. And yeah, man, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna go add this to the car probably tomorrow. Hopefully it stops raining tomorrow. It's been killing the days, man. It's been killing our day all day. What's good, squad? So your boy's finally home, man. I just dropped Ness off, but this past day, like Friday and Saturday, it's been like rainy, and like the weather hasn't been permitting me to be outside vlogging and doing what I want to do. So I've been in the house chilling. Like nothing much has been going on. But like every car guy goes through this. That point where it's like, what's next? What do I want to do next to the car? What could I do to make the car look way better than what it does now? And I've been saying to myself, like, I gotta do something. And I asked you guys, and I asked like multiple times, should I wide body the car? Should I flare the car? And these are one of the main reasons why I started to feel this way. Because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to make like put a different look on the car. So I'm not gonna wide body the car. Well, flare it. I don't really call it wide body, but flare it. I'm not gonna flare the car, but I do want to change the cosmetic look of the car. Also, I put a poll on Instagram, and I put either Voltex bumper or spoon bumper, and a lot of people voted for spoon. Like, it was like 150 people voted for spoon, then like 143 people voted for Voltex. So it's like, it was like a 50-50 almost. But I think, personally, I think the Voltex will look better on the car, just for the simple fact that I have the Mugen hardtop, and I feel like if I'm gonna go spoon bumper, I want the spoon hardtop to go with it. Because that was my original plan. I was gonna go spoon all the way around, but I got the Mugen hardtop, which is a replica, but the Voltex I think will look good. So I'm just trying to figure out exactly, before I actually hit that purchase button, I gotta ask the YouTube fam, what would you guys rather see? Please, if you're watching this, comment down below. Let me know, would you rather see that Voltex or would you rather see that spoon bumper? Alright, but I'm ready to start putting in the mods to this S2000. I'm ready to start boosting it up and making it look as good as possible. And then, I know it's going to be sad for a lot of you guys to hear this, but I'm going to take away the stance. Like, I'm not going to be fender to lip anymore. Eventually, I'm going to boost the car. Well, I'm actually going to do a centrifugal, that's a hard ass word, centrifugal supercharger. So, I can't wait. It's like $4,000 to do it, but your boy's gonna do it. I'm gonna save my money and I'm gonna get to that. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys are waiting for me to get to that point. Now, if you guys want to see me get to that point faster, all you guys got to do is subscribe to your boy, click into these videos and watch the videos and just check out your kid. Check out the kid. Alright, I'm all stuttering and stuff, but I'm not gonna edit that out because this is the real deal channel right here, alright? This is Phil Raw and correct, alright? But, yeah, if you guys want to see me get to that point quicker, you guys want to see me, see, that's a hard word, do the centrifugal supercharger kit to my S2000, please, 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 subscribe to your boy, alright? I think we're like 50 subscribers away from hitting 9,000. That's dope, yo. That's super dope. But, I'm just like sitting here, I'm on Shine Auto, because Shine Auto is like one of the main companies I see that sells it and a lot of people buy from. And they have the Voltex bumper here, right? They have the Voltex bumper here for $600. I think it's like $185 to ship it. Now, that's pretty cheap compared to the spoon bumper. The spoon bumper now, they want $600 for the bumper, then you gotta buy the fog lights, which is like another $200. And then you have to buy the actual fog light covers, which is like another $200. So that's gonna be way more money. But I don't know, man. I think this Voltex look is gonna be tough. I was talking to Hector. He's the guy who let me use his red truck, and I was like, yo, a lot of people have the Voltex bumper, but not a lot of people are bagged and have the Voltex bumper. So that might be actual fire right there. So I'm thinking about doing the Voltex bumper, getting the aero kit for it, like getting all the aero pieces on it and like rear diffusers, side diffusers. I might even get a wing. Like, if you guys remember, I was saying in like my earlier videos, I'm gonna have my duckbill trunk, and then I'm gonna buy another trunk and put a wing on it, so that way I can switch it out whenever I want. So I got some good stuff coming. I also want to get a new hood, like a nice carbon fiber vented hood. I want to get all that. What else? So I'll just be sitting here at night, like on Craigslist, like trying to find things to buy, and like it's always so hard. It's just like, oh my god, because S2000 parts are super expensive. I know a lot of people always ask, like, you know, what's one of the first mods you'll do when you're first and you're new to the scene? I always tell them, yo, suspension. Do the suspension first. You know, I think suspension is always gonna make the car look better, no matter what car it is. Like, when you do the suspension, then you know what wheels to get. So I always say, like, if you can, do your suspension first. and then, you know, whatever else you can do after. So that's me. I don't know. You guys let me know what was your first mod. Alright? But other than that, like, I don't know, man. You guys gotta let me know. What would you guys like to see? Spoon or Voltex? I think I'm gonna go Voltex, but I like to hear you guys' opinions. And, you know, let me know, man. For real. Alright? Like I said, I know this video wasn't much. It's probably just me blabbering and talking and stuff. But you guys who watch me on a daily basis, you already know what it is, man. Your boy's just trying to put out content for you guys because I've been missing for 2 days. And I don't like that. Alright, so you guys subscribe to your boy. Alright? Hit that like button for your boy. Turn on that post notification bell. And if you can, tag a friend and tell a friend and let them know Phil-S2K is the hottest YouTuber out. I'm out. Peace.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America.